we'll see very similar movements, I think, from the top of the swing. So you're onto the plane line there, but I think what will happen is as we get nearer the ball, your hands start to drift away from your body there, and they stay more on the plane line there. Can you see the difference? Yeah, slightly. Yeah, no, I'm not. Yeah, they could still be a little bit more underneath, couldn't they? But definitely not. And there, you see, there's a big difference. You can see how much more your hands are above the plane line there, and how much steeper the shaft is, and therefore how much further away your arms are. Do you see what I mean? So you're right. I mean, I still think they could be a little bit closer. Ideally, there, the shaft of the golf club and the hands will be on that line. Impact, so they could still be a little bit more under, but it's definitely better. I'm just going to put your iron swing on here as well, just to show you that, because I think the big thing there with your iron swing, obviously, that we've been talking about is just trying to make sure that, you know, when you come down here, this isn't bad, but you've definitely now started to get a little bit more stretch, and you're clearing, you see how much better you're clearing your lower body. Yeah, so that's what we were saying, is when we watch, and you watch your videos there, we can see much more of the glutes and the left leg there at impact with our good players. You can see we can hardly see it here. Yeah. And that's why I think if you look at your general body shape through the ball, you can see it looks wrong. You've managed to maintain your starting posture better through the ball because of the fact that your hips are clearing, you're creating that space. So your whole posture here, look at the shape of your spine. Do you see what I mean? On the left there, you just look a little bit more cramped up than you do on the right. Would you agree? And there, you know, as opposed to there, do you see what I mean? Even there, it looks like you've got a bit more room. You recover quite well here, but through this area here, it starts to look a little bit, you know, cramped up here. Just looks like we're not in the way at all. So it's just getting that. But what we've got to remember is the sequencing, because sometimes you get the 2 out of 3. So we move across, we drop, and then we rotate. Yeah, in that order. Okay, we don't start with the arms first, we don't rotate the hips first. It's a movement across, drop of the arms, so the arms get left behind, and then we rotate. Yeah, does that make sense? Yeah, I'm just going to play this through a couple of times.